Hi students, now we are going to solve some numerical problems based on the topic Carnot engine. So the first one is, an engine takes compressed steam at 127 degrees Celsius and rejects it at 47 degrees Celsius. Find the efficiency of the engine. This type of numerical problem has been asked in the earlier competitive exams also in MCQ. Okay, now among the two given temperatures, the higher temperature is what? 127 degrees Celsius. So the high temperature is usually denoted by T1. So T1 is equal to 127 degrees Celsius. And we have to convert the temperatures into Kelvin, particularly in the Carnot engine problem. So this is equal to 127 plus 273. So this is equal to 300, 400. Okay, so this is 273 plus 27 is 300 plus this is 400. So it is 400 Kelvin. Similarly, the lower temperature, okay, the lower temperature is T2 and this is 47 degrees Celsius. So 47 degrees Celsius is 47 plus 273 in Kelvin. So 273, so this will become 320, okay. So 320 Kelvin. So normally, this high temperature is called as the source and the heat reservoir at the lower temperature is called as the sink. You have to remember this. Now the efficiency, okay, the efficiency of the Carnot engine is given by the formula. That is, eta is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. Preferably, these two temperatures must be expressed in Kelvin in Carnot engine as well as the refrigerator numerical problems. So I am going to substitute. So this is equal to 1 minus. So what is the T2 is 320. So this is 320 divided by 400. So this is 400. So 0 and 0 first we will cancel. So this is equal to 1 minus 32 divided by 40. So both are divisible by 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So eta is now equal to 1 minus 4 by 5. So taking LCM now, this is 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 divided by 5. So this is equal to 1 by 5 in fraction. So in decimals 1 by 5 is what? 0.2. So this is one of the answers in fraction or in decimal. Suppose if you want to convert this into 100 or percentage, okay, you have to multiply this by 100 and convert it into percentage. So I have multiplied this 0.2 by 100 so that now the efficiency is called as percentage efficiency. So that this is equal to what? 20%. So this is the answer. 20% is the answer. So in multiple choice question, in fractions 4 options may be there or in percentage also. So percentage sometimes one of the options may be what is 0.2%. Quickly our mind will catch that point only. 0.2 is not in percentage. Take care. Understand? So 20% is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood it fine.